Hello everyone, this is Shondipon here again. Today I will be speaking on the topic the importance of giving tuition lessons. Now, as we know that in this pandemic situation, there are many things that's happening. I can say that stocks something which is there. So apart from it, if we come to the academic portion, learning, people who are learning for the competitive exams, and they are not that good at communication. Maybe they are good at English, but they are not getting anyone with whom they can speak in English. Let's take this point. uh, if a person is coming from a vernacular background. Number two, if that person is weak in something, let's say maths, let's say English, these two are the core subjects. I can say that they are very important in each and every exam. Take it CGL. A huge amount of marks depends on these two things. Yep, I can say that if we go for the communicative English, it's not that important. But if we go for SBI PO exam, about IBPS exams, IBPS PO exams, where there are the personal interview taking place, and even uh, in the private sector, where you will go, and the most important thing is personal interview, because after you crack the personal interview, you can get inside that company. So you see, the importance is that if you take tuition, you take or give tuition, let's say anything, okay, but it's important that you are the master, let's say, okay. So if you are the teacher, so you have got that the that right, or you can say that that opportunity. You have got that opportunity to speak in English with your students. It will also give you some hard cash, and you can get to uh, earn that and use it in a fruitful manner. Let's say in investing in some books, let's say investing in if you are having many people, let's say, like, I mean, 10 or 20 people you are teaching. So that's a very important thing. If you are not good, you can actually invest those money in different formats, in exams, giving exams, whatever it may be. uh, Another point is that give tuitions in which you are weak at. Let's say if you are weak in maths, take maths tuition. So maybe it may sound a bit different. Maybe you are an English teacher, okay. Let's say you are a bachelor in arts in English. So a person who knows that, okay, he or she, that person has done bachelor in arts BA degree uh, for in English, that person won't be giving that person to for maths. But you say to that person, okay, okay, sir or madam or anyone, okay, who is there, so I will give both English and maths tuition, I will do both. So they will be happy, okay. So okay, from one person they will get both. It's very important. So you teach them these two subjects. At times I had to, when I was there, I taught each and every kind of subject, but I gave most importance to maths because I was weak in maths. And what I did was, I said that at that time what I did was just addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I did BODMAS at that point. I created my own sums. I gave it to my um, my my students, and I used to solve them. So you see, this is very important. So likewise, as I said, see, if you are having time, if you are sitting idle, and you can actually invest some time for it. uh, this communicative English will improve yourself. Let's say you are not being able to do that, but still you improve yourself, you will improve yourself. You will have the confidence when there are students. So definitely you are in front of, you are on the stage, you are teaching them, and you will use the English language as a medium over there. That's something which I have always said, that will improve your English. So I think something is there which you have taken from this video. Hope that you will get more information, and I will try to think, brainstorm my ideas, so that you can improve yourself as a personality within yourself, and you can also get to know more of yourself, the outside world and how you can use some small opportunities for improving yourself. So see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe this channel for more videos. I make videos on financial planning too, who are entering into a new job, who are doing something, maybe they are going wayward and they are into going into some extremes, taking some extreme decisions. So I always try to balance out many things. So it's all about that. Do stick in this video, stick into this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of your health.